Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting. A super lightweight yet powerful library called SmolAgent that can help you build amazing AI agent with just a few lines of code. Whether you are a developer, an AI enthusiast or someone who just curious about how modern AI tools are evolving, this video is for you. So what is SmolAgent? Well, as the name suggests, it is a small library, but don't let its size fool you. SmolAgent is designed to simplify the process of creating and running powerful AI agent with around 1000 lines of code of core logic. This library is all about keeping things simple yet effective. But here the kicker. It supports code agent that take action in the form of code snippet, making them incredibly efficient and versatile. Well, talk, we will talk more about what that means in just a moment. So here you can use this pip install SmolAgent package. Also you can use this code for the demo. So let's see the demo video of SmolAgent. Why a SmolAgent? Let's get into why we would want to use SmolAgent. Simplicity. It minimalistic but pack a punch. You get everything you need without the unnecessary abstraction. First class support for code agent. This agent write their action directly in Python code, which is faster, more accurate and efficient. Plus, they work in sandbox environment to ensure security. Hub integration. Sharing and loading tools from Hugging Face Hub has never been easier. Support any LLM. Whether it's OpenAI, Anthropic or models on Hugging Face, SmolAgent seamlessly integrate with all of them. The code agent, the game changer. One standout feature of SmolAgent is its code agent. Instead of simply outputting a JSON or text response, code agent actually write Python code to take action. This method not only speed up the workflow by reducing the number of steps but also improve accuracy. In fact, benchmarking tests show it uses 30% fewer steps and achieve higher performance on tough challenges. But wait, what about security? SmolAgent has you covered with a secure Python interpreter to execute code safely or a fully sandbox environment using E2B for even greater safety. How lightweight it is. If you are wondering how small SmolAgent really is, its core logic is contained in 1000 line of code, yet it's powerful enough to manage multiple types of agent. Code agent for Python code execution, tool calling agent for standard JSON or text-based action. Even though it's lightweight, SmolAgent handle all the tricky parts for you, like keeping code format consistent and managing complex workflow. Performance benchmark. Now, how does it actually perform? SmolAgent signed with Open Model in agentic workflow in a recent benchmark comparing code agent to traditional method. It shows superior performance with fewer LLM calls and high accuracy, especially on complex tasks. You can check out their benchmark code to see the magic for yourself. And yes, code agents are the future. They are faster, smaller, and simply better. Why small agents stand out? So why should you consider using small agent? It's simple. It combines minimalism with power. It gives you complete control over your agentic workflow. It's secure, versatile, and works seamlessly with any LLM. Plus, it's open source. You can tweak it to your needs or just use the part you find yourself. That's wrap up on today's video. I hope you are excited about small agent as I am. Whether you are building AI powered application, experimenting with agent or just exploring the world of AI, this library has something to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more AI and tech content, and don't forget to drop your thought in the comment. What do you think about small agent? Are you ready to give it a try? Until next time, happy coding.